Growing crisis over the coronavirus. The city at the center of the outbreak in China and 2 others going on lockdown as authorities try to stop the spread. Those numbers growing this morning. Now more than 600 people have been infected and at least 17 killed. There is one case, as we've been reporting here in the U.S., and 5 U.S. airports are now screening passengers. Kana Whitworth is in Everett, Washington, where the American patient is being treated. Good morning, Kana.
Robin, good morning. So officials here have set up a call center for anyone who thinks they may have been exposed to the coronavirus. In the meantime, they are monitoring their one confirmed patient who is here at the hospital in isolation, and he will remain that way until the CDC says he can be released. This morning, new details on the American patient infected with the coronavirus. The unidentified man in his 30s under quarantine in a Seattle hospital, living in a biocontainment room with security guards. The few medical professionals who have access using a specially skilled robot to limit their contact. The man, at the time asymptomatic, flew in from Wuhan last Wednesday, fell ill the next day, and reached out for medical attention. Within 24 hours, tested positive for the virus.
Fortunately for us, the patient also provided a good history, let us know that he was already at high risk.
Seattle officials now working on verifying 16 people he may have been in close contact with.
Department of Health epidemiologists to complete an extensive travel history with the patient.
This morning, 2 other Chinese cities on lockdown. Overnight, Wuhan, ground zero for the outbreak, but also one of the largest transportation hubs in central China, is enacting a travel ban, shutting down public transit as well as temporarily suspending departures from the train station and airport. This new video shows emergency checks in one of the last flights out of Wuhan. 2 passengers removed from the plane.
I'm in China.
American Matthew McCoy, a constant traveler in the country since 2013, says people are being extra cautious.
Nobody's at the shopping malls, and now nobody's at the movie theaters, and very few people are out and about. They've all got their groceries and they're staying in-house as much as possible to try to weather this situation.
The CDC now funneling all passengers arriving from Wuhan through 5 U.S. airports with mandatory screenings and posting advisories at checkpoints in 14 airports. The last flight from Wuhan landing at JFK last night, and in Boston screening 10 passengers coming from Hong Kong. All were cleared. Officials now saying they have confirmed the flight that this Washington state man was on, and they're currently in the process of alerting all of the passengers. Also, every doctor I spoke with here in Washington says they absolutely anticipate seeing more cases of the coronavirus here in the United States because it spreads so quickly. Michael?
We sure hope they can isolate it. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.